In January of 2024, I uploaded a video called 6 Ways to Glow Up in 2024. That video was 6 ways I was planning on glowing up my life. And now here we are in 2025. And I am going to take a look back at that video, take a look back at 2024 and score myself and come to the conclusion, did I actually glow up in 2024? I'm going to be scoring myself on each goal that I outlined in this video and then add them together, come up with an average, and that is the score that I'm going to give myself for 2024. If that score is above, let's say 90, that was definitely a glow up. Go down to 70, we'll say on the way up. D and lower you got work to do. Is that fair? Is that a fair score? I don't know. 90 and up is officially yes, I glowed up. 70 and above is on the way up, and then 50 or lower is I got work to do. Hello, this is Diola from the future editing this video and realizing that she did not put together a range for 50 to 70, which, spoiler alert, comes into play much later. This is how I'm going to evaluate myself. I'm going to evaluate myself like a 9-to-5er because that's actually what I am. First thing, and I think the most important thing that I really want to accomplish this 2024 is take control of my finances. Take control of my finances. I'm going to say off the bat that this probably might be my lowest score. Let me explain, guys. I was rooting for you! We were all rooting for you! How dare you! I tried very hard. From the beginning of the year till like the middle of the year, everything was going fine. I was on my savings plan, I had a budget, everything. But the electricity issue went from to outright terrible. There were many occasions I had to get to hotels so I could just get a good night of sleep. Many times I had to fix my gen. Life happened and it knocked my perfectly built plans off kilter. So believe me guys when I say I actually fucking tried. I am not where I hoped to be. For this particular one, I will be giving myself a 4/10. I want to take my fitness more seriously. On the fitness route, I think I did a fantastic job. I lost a bunch of weight, not on purpose guys, but it happened. I grew my ass. My ass looked I was at peak flexibility. I worked out every day except Saturdays and Sundays. Even on days I woke up late, I would still roll out my mat and do a quick 15-minute routine. Fitness wise, I'm giving myself honestly 10/10. Finally, you know what, I'm not gonna tell you guys now. You guys will find out in my 2025 goal setting. Another thing that I want to talk about that is on my glow up list is eating healthier. On the eating healthier front, I actually believe absolute possible best to eat healthier. I did meal prep, I watched healthy cooking videos, and I will say for most part of last year I was eating healthier, and if I was eating out, I made sure to eat like relatively healthy meals. But the electricity situation, as I mentioned, it really threw me. I lost a lot of food and I spent a lot of money replacing that food. I spent a lot of money also eating out. I did do my absolute possible best. Like I tried. I am going to give myself 7/10. Work-wise, I really want to get 2 certifications. On the work front, I think I did a fantastic job. I wanted to get 2 certifications, one in SEO and one in technical writing. The reason why I didn't get the technical writing certification was because I thought I was still going to work in tech, so I thought a technical writing certification would help me. But I am now digital marketing manager at Maven Records. I do not see the need for me to get the technical writing certification. Now that I think about it, I got my new job in Q1 of 2024. Going to give myself an 8/10. I really want to grow on YouTube. I was looking through my analytics and looking through the back end, and I realized that I've been doing YouTube for almost 10 years at this point. To still be at 4,000 subscribers after all this time is a little painful. I, in my opinion, have done my absolute best to find videos, to find topics, create content that I think would make my channel grow, but I guess I haven't figured it out yet. This is the year I'm going to make YouTube my second income stream. I have been doing so much research. I've been watching so many videos. I'm heavy in research mode. You see my YouTube history, how to grow, how to gain subscribers. I'm going back to how to edit videos. I'm going back to storytelling basics. That is how fucking much I want this. On the YouTube front, a 6/10. I also graduated from the YouTube Made For You program. I tried. I want to spend more time with my community, and that means my friends and my family. Spending more time with my friends and my family. I don't think I did a great job at this, but I also don't think I did a terrible job at this. I did try to spend more time with my dad. I will say I speak to him more on the phone. I text him more. My mom, I'm getting there. There's some trauma here that I'm still working through. My brother, yes, I definitely spent a lot of time with my brother. My brother is my homie. He's my guy. He's my ride or die. I spent a lot of time. We created a lot of content together, a lot of raves together. Coco lives in Abuja. She comes to Lagos. Is here, she stays. I spend as much time with her as I possibly can, thanks to how I'm wired. Once Coco is not in my vicinity, I kind of don't see her, like I don't text her. I do try to keep up with her. Edwin, I have to make a more conscious effort to hang out with. I did make new community of friends via the rave community that I met in 2024, and now I can say in my circle, and I love it. I love that so much. On this route, I'm gonna give myself a 6/10. Not the best, but also not that terrible. We have our scores, and now it's time for me to do some mathematics. What I know about averages is that you're supposed to add everything up, divide it by how many they are, and then multiply by 100. Plus 7, plus 8, plus 6, 4 plus, that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Wait, I have a calculator on my laptop. I can just do that. Technology. 41 divided by 6, right? 0.8. Is that right? That's 683. I think it's 68. I don't know how you do average. I added all the scores together and it's 41, which to me is terrible. Maths that I think I got right, but I'm not sure. That's 68 over 100. So yeah, mathematician, I am not. Final score, I'm gonna go with the highest score because it makes me feel better, is 68.3. Higher, it's how does this score work? This just proves I have a lot of work to do this 2025. 2024 was just practice. It was just a test run. This year, it's definitely going to be my glow up year. And you guys can find out all about my glow up year and all about the things that I'm gonna do in my next video, which is gonna be me creating my 2025 bingo card. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Do not forget to reflect on your goals to the subscribe button so that you can join me and my family here on YouTube. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!